In this video, I will show you guys how can you install Dailymotion app on your Samsung Smart TV. First step, grab your remote control and press the source tab button from here, as you can see. After that, you will need to go to the search bar and here you will need to type in Dailymotion. And as you can see, is right there, is the second one. You will need to go and press enter on it, on your remote control, and press enter again to install it on your Samsung Smart TV. Right now it's done. What you can do next, you can add it to your Samsung Smart TV home screen by going and pressing on this Add to Home tab. So I will go and do it for you. Press enter on your remote control. And as you can see, is right here on your Samsung Smart TV home screen. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next videos.